Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to our virtual class. Today in our math class we are going to start chapter 6, that is fraction. What is fraction? Do you know? As we have learned in grade 3 level and grade 4 level already. So let us write. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, fraction is a part of a whole, and the fraction has two terms. Okay, fraction has two terms. What are they? Okay, two terms, a numerator and denominator. Okay, let me write. A numerator and a denominator. Okay, the upper term is numerator and the lower term is denominator. Okay, so what type of fraction are like fraction and unlike fraction? Okay, like fraction and unlike fraction. Like fraction okay, like fraction, a fraction whose, sorry, not all, okay, fractions whose denominator are same. Okay, denominator are equal. Are equal. For example, 7 by 11, okay, denominator same, and 6 by 11, this type of fraction. Okay, because their denominator are same, that is why. Unlike fraction, opposite of like fraction. Okay, fractions whose denominator are unequal. Okay, for example, like 7 by 11 and then 6 by 9, 3 by 15, this type of fraction, because their denominator are different, that is why. Okay, and proper fraction, means numerator is smaller than denominator. Okay, fraction whose numerator is smaller than denominator. Okay, this type of fraction is proper fraction. And improper fraction, fraction whose numerator is greater, okay, or you can say larger, greater than denominator. For example, like numerator must be greater, isn't it? So let us write 15 by 9. We can write in this way. 36 by 13. This type of fraction. And in proper fraction, numerator is smaller. You can write 7 by 20. Okay, this type of fraction, the numerator must be small, then smaller than denominator, this type of fraction. Okay, so today in our class we are going to solve exercise 1. Okay, exercise 1 here. What is in the question? Let me see. Exercise 1a number. Okay, express the following mixed fraction. Following mixed fraction, mixed number, mixed fraction. Okay, numbers as improper fractions. Okay, so in a number, in one number, the question we have 12 2 by 3. Here what we have to understand by looking this question, 12 means whole number. Okay, whole number. 12 means here the whole number plus 2 by 3. We have to understand in this way. Here the denominator is in numerator is 2, isn't it? 2, numerator is 2 and it is denominator. Here we have to understand that out of 3, 2 part is shaded for this, isn't it? So for this 12, all like 12, this type of whole number, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus so on, 12 whole part. Okay, 12 whole part. We have to understand 12 whole part. Okay, 12 whole part plus 2 out of 3. We have to add this. Understood? So for this, what we have to do? We have very simple, easy trick to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, what we have to do that just multiply denominator with denominator with whole part, and then what we have to do? Add with numerator. Then write result as numerator. Then there is no any changes in denominator. Okay, there is no any changes in denominator. You have to remember these 4 points, which helps us to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, means multiply denominator with whole part. Let us follow this one. Okay, multiply denominator. What is in denominator? 3. What is the whole part? 12. Okay, 3 into 12, that is 36. And then what is said us? Then add with numerator. What is in numerator? In numerator we have 2. So then what we have to do? Then according to second steps, add with numerator, that is 38. Okay, and then third, write as a result as numerator. And third, write as a result as numerator. And there is no any changes in denominator, means 3 is in denominator, so no any changes in denominator. See, 38 by 3 is our required answer. See what we did? We follow all the steps here, isn't it? We multiply the denominator with the whole part, and we get the product here. And then what we do? We add this product with numerator, and then what we do? We write this result as a numerator, and there is no any changes in denominator, and this is our required answer. Understood? So let us do another question. That is in question number 2. What is given here? Okay, 18 is a whole part. 18 2 by 5. This means 18 is the whole part, and out of 5, 2 part is taken. Now let's add. Okay, 5 multiply denominator with whole number. That is 5 8s are 40. 5 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 9, 90. Then what we have to do? This is according to the first step. Then according to the second step, add the product with numerator, that is 92. Then third step, write 92 the result as a numerator, and then there is no any changes in denominator, that is 5. So 92 by 5 is our required answer. So I hope all of you understood very clearly how to change mixed fraction into improper fraction. So only this much for today. Bye bye all of you.